This is an arrival from Spootiverse. This is a gravid spider, jumping spider that I had come. You can tell this is Spootiverse.com, so if you'd like to order from them, you can. Just go to www.thespootiverse.com. And they were gracious enough to save my babies till the cold spell got over. I'll go ahead and open it on camera so you guys can see. Maybe I can do it with this. I may have to get some scissors. Let's see. Put that in there. Put that in there. Don't think I do. Yeah, I do. Here's my order package here. Can you see that? Oh, it's nice and warm in there. Oh my goodness, toasty. They got a heat pack in there. Oh wow. They're so beautiful. Look at how big they are.